Time to get you a check of the forecast this morning, and that includes a check of the tropics. So we've got some good news out there this morning regarding what the National Hurricane Center is tracking. Now, right now on the radar this morning, just a few showers moving in on a northeasterly breeze. Most of these are located over on the East Coast. When we get behind a cold front like this and the winds start to shift around, usually we see the wet weather on the East Coast, why we say nice and dry. Now, some of these showers are trying to make their way across the Everglades. We've seen a few of them just north of the 10,000 Island area here early, but from LaBelle all the way past the Caloosahatchee, we remain dry, tracking a few showers along US 27 between Palmdale and Lake Placid. Some of these heading right down 70 towards downtown Arcadia. When you step outside, you'll notice it's a little warmer and a little more humid. That really dry air we had earlier in the week is starting to go away. The atmosphere is starting to moderate a bit. So we're waking up in the mid 60s roughly here this morning, and that's several degrees warmer, especially along the coastline here early, as our wind will continue northeast. That's not going to change. It's going to be breezy each and every afternoon, and this morning we're still seeing wind gusts in the mid-teens in Charlotte and Sarasota County. So your day ahead will be up near 82 degrees, good mix of sun and clouds. We can't rule out the chance of a very tiny isolated shower. We saw a few of those yesterday. One of them hit a rain gauge at Page Field, so officially we recorded a trace of rain yesterday. So that front continues to drift a little farther to the south, and you can see these showers lined up from Jacksonville all the way through Miami, and they're not quite making it past Lake Okeechobee towards Tampa or Fort Myers. They're very shallow rain showers. They're very light, and the reason, in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, we still have extremely dry air that's moved through. Now, as far as what it looks like on our future model for the weekend, here's your Friday evening. A few showers east coast. Notice that wind stays out of the northeast. Let's show you Saturday. Really no major changes, maybe just a few more showers showing up here or there, but it's this easterly flow across the state that's going to continue for the next couple of afternoons. That front continues to block all the tropical moisture to the south. The last couple of days north of Panama, we were watching the possibility of development. National Hurricane Center no longer putting that in their tropical weather outlook, but they are focused on an area between Bermuda and the Bahamas. This one is going to move away from the Bahamas and the state of Florida. It only has a 20% chance of developing the next couple of days. So fingers crossed, maybe we're finally winding down here the very, very active, historically active 2020 hurricane season. Small craft caution still in place for your water. The Ingman Marine forecast today calls for seas 2 to 3 feet. Could be a little choppy on those inland waters. Overnight tonight, we'll see temperatures go down in the 60s, but not before we hit 82 today. That's one above our average of 81, and you see our temperatures overnight beginning to warm. 7-day forecast shows you the weekend. Boy, it's nice for those of you getting out, maybe getting a head start on your outdoor holiday decorations. Our forecast is going to be nice all the way through Thanksgiving, which shows up there at the end of your 7-day forecast.